Yes, Swastik Sarkar, Menak Datta, good evening all. Welcome to one short series, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Sexual Jurisprudence. I'm audible and visible, guys. Keshav Kumar, Swastik Sarkar, Menak Datta. Hello guys. Sexual Jurisprudence. That is definition of rape, 7 descriptions of rape, punishment for rape, examination of victim of rape, accused of rape, sexual perversion, sexual paraphilia, sex-linked disorders. So very, very important topic, commonly asked in FMGE, INICET and a NEET PG exam. Yes, good evening, Paras, Swastik, all good evening. Yeah, that's great. So just to begin the first question, guys, the first question for you. In Indian scenario, only a man can be charged for raping a woman. Female cannot rape a man. True or false? Can anyone answer? Is it true or false? Just say true or false. In Indian scenario. That is in India, not in France, not in US. Only a man, a male, can be charged for raping a woman. Female cannot rape a man legally in India. Is it true or false? Manak Datta is telling, sir, it is true. Keshav Kumar is telling it is false. What do you think? True. Yes, it is a true statement. As for 63 BNS, in Indian scenario, only a man can be charged for raping woman. Female cannot rape a man. It's a true statement as for Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Dhara 63 BNS. So answer is true, but female can be arrested in POCSO case, especially a female raping a male child, so of age less than 18 years. In that case, she can be arrested. But as per 63 BNS, so this is true. So good answer. So Alka Kumari, that's great. Chal. Let's start. What is definition of rape? Rape definition क्या है? क्या rape medical term or legal term? One more question for you. The word rape is there now. Is it a medical term or a legal term? Is it a चिकित्सा शब्द या कानूनी शब्द? Can anyone try? Just try it. Medical term, legal term, or it is both. What it is? What do you think? The word rape, sexual assault, is it a legal term or a medical term? Is it both? Yes, very good. So Keshav Kumar, very good. It's a legal term. So why? Because the 63 BNS that defines rape (64 BNS) punishment for rape. So whether rape happened, not happened, that is basically decided by the judge or the magistrate, not by the doctor. So the duty of the doctor is to collect the trace evidence and to write the examination of victim of rape report, and to just to comment on whether drugs used, not used, whether physical force is used, not used. So by looking at the injuries on the body. So in general, the word rape is a legal term, not the medical term. Okay? Yes. Good. चलो, क्या कहती है BNS धारा 63? डेफिनेशन क्या है? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, बार बार पूछते एग्जाम में. The word rape, it has come from a Latin word rapire. The meaning of rapire is the carrying of women by force. You can see here from the standard textbook. Latin word है rapire. Rapire मतलब क्या है? Seize. Seize मतलब क्या है? Carrying of women by force. मतलब जबरदस्ती उठा कर ले जाना. That is the actual meaning of rape. But in legal term, it is basically 63 BNS. When you see definition of rape 63, it is given clearly: a man said to commit rape if he, option A, penetration his penis into vagina, urethra, mouth and the anus. Penetration. Vagina means it is even partial penetration. Even touching the labia majora can be rape. Or urethra, or mouth, anus. So the word penetration, P is equal to U.V.A.M. So I'll have to write in the chat box. P is equal to U.V.A.M. That is urethra, vagina, mouth, anus. The penetration of sexual organ into the mouth can be rape. So there can be hymen tear. The most common site of hymen tear is posterolateral, between 5 to 7 o'clock position. We use Lugol's iodine to find out the micro injuries. When there is a hymen tear, especially in case of virgin, that is a feature of sexual intercourse. That can be rape. When age of the girl less than 18 years, then it is known as statutory rape. Okay? P is equal to, that is good. Then insertion. Insertion matlab any fingers, or it can be any foreign object, or in one of the case it was plastic bottle, which is inserted into the vagina, urethra and anus. So in I insertion, so we have V.U.M.A. only. Then manipulation of the body, manipulation of any part of the body of the female to cause penetration into the UVA. Then comes is the application. Application of mouth into vagina, urethra, anus also can be rape. So what we can see here: penetration, insertion, manipulation and application. So please write in the chat box the word 63 BNS is equal to 63 BNS is equal to P.I.M.A. Please write this in chat box. P.I.M.A. is equal to 63 BNS is equal to definition of rape. This is a definition you need to write in the exam when it is asked as a 3 marks question. So try to understand. Okay? All of you write? Keep writing. Then comes is, say example, husband and wife. Now say example, husband hai, wife. The wife age is less than 18 years. Husband and wife, the wife age less than 18 years, both are married. Again, marriage is illegal. Child marriage is illegal. My question, is it rape or not? Husband having intercourse with the wife of age less than 18 years, that is juvenile, is it rape or not a rape if case is filed within 1 year? My question is yes or no. Is it rape? Yes, it is rape. Say yes or no in the chat box. Keep writing. Very interesting question. Okay, try. Once again, repeat. The wife age here is less than 18, less than 18 saal. The male age more than 18 or more than 21, whatever it is. Legally, they are not married, but they are married. Husband having intercourse since last many days with her. If she files a case in police station within 1 year of occurrence of that intercourse, is it rape or not a rape? Yes or no? My question. So Anup is telling no. Nokia is telling yes. Anup is telling no, no, sir. No, no, no. Yes or no? No, no, no. Yes or no? Try answering, guys. Remember, it is rape. Rape when case is filed within 1 year. So there is a honorable Supreme Court judgment. The judgment states that husband having intercourse with the juvenile wife is equal to rape when case is filed within 1 year by the wife or by the parents of the wife. So that is what given in the standard textbook. Then there comes a statutory rape. What is statutory rape? The statutory rape means that is when female age less than 18 years. The legal age for giving consent for sexual intercourse is 18 years. Any female of more than 18 years, she can give valid consent for sexual intercourse. When her age is less than 18 years, the consent becomes invalid. Though she is interested, though her consent is there, consent invalid है क्योंकि age है less than 18. You must have seen a movie Court versus Nobody, है ना? Yes, good. हाँ, इन पोक्सो नहीं है, पोक्सो में नहीं है, बट BNS में लिखा है, ठीक है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट में लिखा है. पोक्सो क्या होता है बताओ? पोक्सो में क्या है? जुवेनाइल है, मतलब मैरिड का कोई बात नहीं आता इसमें. मैरिड है इसमें, इसलिए. Anup, very good. Try to understand. This is very important concept. Okay, I'll repeat again. The word rape, rapire, 63 BNS, 64 punishment for rape है. Actual meaning है carrying of woman by force. ये male offense है. Set to commit rape. There are 4 keywords है. पहला कीवर्ड है penetration है, insertion, manipulation और application है. Statutory मतलब less than 18 है. Husband wife rape है. Case is filed within 1 year. Is it clear, guys? Definition. So the most common site of assignment here I said posterolateral. So this is important point. Lugol's iodine that is used, and Toluidine blue. Basically Toluidine blue that is used in the victim, Lugol's iodine that is used in the accused. Okay, so Lugol's iodine to identify the vaginal cells over the penis. Toluidine blue that is basically to identify the micro injuries. When there are micro injuries, DNA, RNA, they are exposed. When they are exposed, it comes positive. So that is the meaning of that. Yes. Okay, is it clear? Say yes or no, guys. Definition, is it ठीक है ना? Okay. Okay, now if the question asked legal age of consent, सहमति की कानूनी उम्र, सहमति की कानूनी उम्र क्या है बताओ all of you guys? Is it 16 or 18, 21 or 12 years? What is the best answer? Try, just type the answer. So, and here I'll discuss some more important MCQs. The legal age for medical examination, any medical examination, I'm not talking about rape, any medical examination including rape, 12 years. Surgery, that is also 12 years. And one more point, even oath in court of law, that is also 12 years. So less than 12 years, the oath is not required. Okay? So that is about the 12 years commonly asked. 18, Nokia, Rakesh, Ashutosh, Rakesh, okay, very good, all answering, that is 12 years. Good answer. Chalo, ho gaya. Now look at this and try to answer. A man orders a female at gunpoint to have sexual intercourse with his friend. So she agrees. Okay, she agrees. Now my question is it rape or not a rape? Man orders the female at gunpoint, to have sexual intercourse with his friend. She agrees and she is going to have sexual intercourse. My question is it rape? If it is rape, why? Because consent is there here. Consent is there. Then when consent is there, it's not rape, no? What is the best answer, guys? Yes, Swastik is telling, sir, it's rape. Why? Because consent hai. इसमें क्या है? Consent hai. Very good. Consent is there. But will is not there. Will, no. And this consent is taken with the help of fear. When consent is taken under the fear of death, grievous hurt, or under the influence of intoxication, like example, date rape drug, it is not valid consent. It amounts to rape. Yaad rakhna padega. So will is not there. When will is not there, even with the consent, it is rape. That is what mentioned in 63 BNS. So answer kya hai? It is definitely yes. Consent is given out of the fear. Nokia is answering. That's great. That's great. Then chalo ek aur question hai. We normally say forced unknown carnal knowledge. है ना? Very funny word है ना? We normally use this word. है ना? मतलब क्या है? Forced मतलब जबरदस्ती. Unknown मतलब stranger. That is stranger rape. Carnal knowledge मतलब क्या है? Sexual intercourse. This is asked. What is the meaning of carnal knowledge? मतलब क्या है? Sexual intercourse. Yes, chalo, ho gaya. Then there are some MCQs, guys. So as usual, there are 10 MCQs. You need to answer now. As per section 20 BNS, a male of dash years of age cannot charge for rape. Option A, less than 7 years, 16 to 18 years, no age limit, less than 10 years. बताओ क्या आंसर है? Try. Now, first question. There are 10 questions. We'll have some discussion of theory here, there also. So, for next 10-15 minutes. As per section 20 BNS, a male of dash years of age cannot be charged for rape. 20, 21, 22, याद रखना पड़ेगा. 22 है McNaughton's rule. 21 क्या है? That is 7 to 12 years. So, 20 क्या है? Less than 7 years. So, answer क्या है? It is less than 7 years. It is not mentioned like this. It cannot be charged for rape. Any offense, a child of age less than 7 years, criminal responsibility is not there. Criminally not liable. So the answer is A. So just try to remember 20, 21, 22. 20 क्या है? Less than 7 years. Criminally not liable. 7 to 12 years, criminally liable if sufficient maturity is there. If magistrate is satisfied that the child is having sufficient maturity, then it is punishable. 22 क्या है? McNaughton's rule. So this is very, very important concept. Let's see who has answered. Less than 7 years है ना? Yes, Anup is telling, sir. Anup, very good. So I'm going to write your name on the stage. Anup, good answer. Good. Congratulations. Excellent. चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं आगे. When a juvenile of age between 16 and 18, juvenile है मतलब बालापराधी है, 16 and 18 है, 16, 17, 18, less than 18 है, commits heinous crime. Heinous crime मतलब rape, or it can be murder also, or even rape, or attempt to murder, robbery. Now question is, what is the punishment if he is involved in crime rape? Option A है, he can be tried as an adult, more than 7 years of imprisonment, life imprisonment, death sentence, imprisonment of maximum 3 years. Previously it was maximum of 3 years. Now it has been changed. Death sentence, no. Death sentence is not given in case of juvenile crime. Even life imprisonment also. Answer है, he can be tried as an adult, but punishment will be more than 7 years of imprisonment. So like it can be 10 years also. So this is what given in standard textbook as per recent change in the Juvenile Justice Act. Okay. So answer है A. Let's see who has answered. Now, okay, Manak Datta, very good. Manak, beta, very good answer. Excellent. Chalo. Next question. So it is what given there in the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act by 2015. Next deco. Interesting question hai. Legally, there is a possibility among the following in Indian scenario. Legally, क्या possibility है? Man can be charged for raping woman. Man can be charged for raping a man. Woman can be charged for raping a woman. Woman can be charged for raping a man. Which is the possibility? A, B, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, like that. You need to answer like that. Multiple options are correct. Yes, try. Legally, there is a possibility. Okay, I'm talking legally as per 63 BNS, 64 BNS, POCSO Act. हाँ ये दिखते हैं बेटा. At the time of offense, at the time of offense it matters, not after 10 years or 20 years. At the time it matters. If case is filed, then definitely it is punishable. Okay. So answer है, Rakesh is telling sir A, and Swastik Sarkar is telling sir A. Rakesh, okay, D possible है. Okay, all possibility. Anup is telling all possibility. Anup देखो illegally लिखा है ना, legally लिखा है. Man can be charged for raping woman. Yes, true है, हो सकता है. Man can be charged for raping a man. No, beta, no. Legally, no, not possible. Sodomy, now it is not punishable. Sodomy was punishable under 377. That was sodomy, not rape. Woman can be charged for raping woman. No, beta, no. Woman can be charged for raping a man. No, in general. But exception क्या है? POCSO में आता है. So POCSO 2012 में क्या लिखा है? Even female teacher, female person can be charged under raping a female or male child. So all possibility wrong hai. Anup wrong hai. Answer hai A. So the answer is given by Rakesh. Rakesh Mallanavar. Very good. Good answer. Ashutosh. Anup, समझ में आया ना आपको? Anup, is it clear? POCSO. POCSO means protection of children from sexual offences. POCSO में आता है 5 definition. When you free, just go through this. PSA, penetrative sexual assault. APSA, aggravated penetrative sexual assault. SA, ASA, sexual harassment. So all this comes under POCSO. 5 डेफिनेशन लिखा है, PSA है, APSA है, ASCA है, ESCA है, ठीक है। Yes, Anup is telling you are right, sir. Good, good Anup, good. That's great. चलो, मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड कार्नल नॉलेज, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। अगेंस्ट विल, नो। अगेंस्ट कंसेंट, नो। स्टैट्यूटरी रेप, नो। सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स, सो विल is not equal to consent. Will is not equal to consent. Once there is a will, there can be consent or no consent. But once there is no will, no consent at all. No will, no consent. That is the inference by the court. The court is going to accept that. When there is no will, that means no consent. Consent की बात ही नहीं आता इसमें, सहमति का बात ही नहीं आता, ठीक है। Yes, good. So sexual intercourse, that's good answer. That's great. चलो, 5th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेप गिवन बाय, डेफिनेशन कहां पे लिखा है? भारतीय न्याय संहिता है। सो आंसर है 63 BNS है। पनिशमेंट कहां लिखा है? धारा 64 में लिखा है। 375, 376 is not related to rape now. 375 IPC was related to rape. Now BNS लिखा नहीं है। 63 BNS, very good. Now याद रखना 66 क्या होता है, 67 क्या होता है, 68, 69, 70, 71, ठीक है। Now let's see what is 66. 66 BNS. So all these are BNS. 66 rape and murder है। Can you give an example for rape and murder case? Rape and murder case, 66 BNS. The punishment is death sentence. Okay. How to remember? Murder 6 alphabets. 66 murder. 67 sexual intercourse by husband with wife during separation. During separation मतलब क्या है? Husband and wife, they are married. The wife is staying separately from him. There is some court case between husband and wife. The wife is staying away from him since many years. Suddenly the husband will go, he will have sexual intercourse with her without her consent. Then it is 67 में आता है, ठीक है। 68 is a sexual intercourse by authority. SI by authority. Like example, employer is having sex with the employee by using his power, the power of chair, we call it as. So that is 68 BNS में आता है. So 8 authority, authority याद रखना पड़ेगा. Just write in the chat box guys, 68 authority. लिखो all of you guys. 68 लिखो. authority, ठीक है, like this. You can remember like that. Alka Kumari, yes, that's great. What about employer is woman? Okay, employer is woman, no. Then again, legally क्या है? Woman cannot rape a man, but it can be indecent assault. There are different sections. The male can approach police station with a different BNS sections, not the rape. So you can ask for some defamation case or the indecent assault, hamla, so assault, so that's possibility. ठीक है, so good question Anup. Authority लिखो, हो गया. 69 क्या है? 69 is male having intercourse with the female with the false promise of marriage. 69 क्या है? False promise of marriage. So all of you write 69 is equal to promise. It is in chat box. So किसी को promise देना किसी को प्रॉमिस करना with the pretext of marrying women and having intercourse, then it is 69 में आता है, ठीक है ना। वादा किया, यस मेनक दत्ता इज टेलिंग वादा किया, निभाना पड़ेगा, ओके गुड आंसर 69 प्रॉमिस। 70 क्या है? 70 है गैंग रेप, when rape committed by more than one person, that is gang rape. You can remember 70 G70. Solve it in the chat box. G70 G70 71 क्या है? repeat offender, repeat person, repeaters. Example Cyanide Mohan Kumar, Cyanide Mohan Kumar, ठीक है। many examples है, उमेश, so many examples है। Cyanide मोहन कुमार है, repeaters है, 71 में आता है। so बार बार करते हैं ना तो 71 में आता है। गैंग रेप मतलब 70 है, 69 मैरिज है, 68 अथॉरिटी है, 67 क्या है? हस्बैंड। हस्बैंड में क्या है? कितना अल्फाबेट्स है? 7 अल्फाबेट्स है। so 67 7 अल्फाबेट्स हस्बैंड है। मर्डर दैट इज 66 है। 63 डेफिनेशन है, 64 पनिशमेंट है। याद रखना पड़ेगा, बार बार पूछते एग्जाम में, पता होना चाहिए। नो केस टेलिंग से 64 बताओ। 64 में पनिशमेंट है, इसमें आता है 64 1 और 64 2। 64 1 में क्या है? मिनिमम 7 years इम्प्रिजनमेंट है, 7 years to लाइफ है। 64 में है मिनिमम 10 years to लाइफ, 10 years to लाइफ। 64 2 क्या? 64 2 क्या है? 64 2 when rape is committed by someone like say like example police officer, armed forces, doctor, teacher, or rape on a pregnant woman, or rape multiple times on the same woman, rape on a woman with a disability, so are inflicting HIV, so many things are there. so 64 2 में क्या है? 10 years to life है। 64 में 7 years to life है। लाइफ मतलब पूरा लाइफ, नॉट द 14 years, एंटायर लाइफ इन द जेल। समझ में आ गया ना अलका कुमारी? सो नो क्या, ये सब आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। हो गया 70। चलो आगे देखते हैं वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, देखते हैं। मैनेजर है, promises to give high salary, जाओ, okay, will give high salary to a needy girl in a company only if she agrees to have sex with him. She unwillingly agrees, unwilling मतलब will नहीं है। He performs sexual act, it amounts to rape because, क्या ये बलात्कार है? क्या ये बलात्कार हो सकता है? Yes or no? Yes or no? Because it is against her will, it is against her consent, it is against her will, but consent is valid, it is not rape. No, it is definitely rape है। Against her consent, no, consent है इसमें। will क्या है? will नहीं है। consent is valid, वो भी नहीं है। याद रखना, when will नहीं है, will के बाद क्या होता है? consent होता है। consent के बाद क्या होता है? that is carnal knowledge. So when will is not there, consent is also not there, that means sexual intercourse is rape. So answer is C नहीं है, आंसर है A, ठीक है, याद रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो who answered? It is against her will. First answer is by Manak Datta and Swastik Sarkar. वेरी गुड बेटा स्वस्तिक। याद रखना, सबसे पहले होता है विल मतलब रीजनिंग पावर ऑफ द माइंड, like higher centers in the hypothalamus. So once there is a will formation, then there will be consent. Consent is valid when age is more than 18. So will नहीं है, consent भी नहीं है। कभी कभी क्या होता है? will होता है but consent invalid होता है क्योंकि age less than 18 year है। So याद रखना, will consent दोनों सेम नहीं है, बिल्कुल सेम नहीं है, अलग अलग है, अलग अलग मीनिंग है इसमें। यस, A+B देन इट इज अगेंस्ट हर कंसेंट। बेटा ये देखो, शी अनविलिंगली अग्रीज, अग्रीज लिखा है ना, मतलब yes, as you said, it is against her consent. That is also correct. So answer can be A plus B also. Yes, if you think logically, it is A plus B. Yes, Swastik Sarkar, very good, good answer. हो गया, बहुत बढ़िया। आगे देखते हैं, ये देखो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है। A boy age 17 year ask his girlfriend age 16 year, so both are juveniles, to have sexual intercourse. She willingly agrees, so the girl agrees. Later, guardian of the girl files a complaint in police station. True about above scenario is all accept. So इसमें क्या है, गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड स्टोरी है। ये देखो बॉयफ्रेंड है, he is a boyfriend, she is the girlfriend. So this is AI image. Okay, बॉय का एज है 17 लिखा है, गर्ल का एज 16 है। So both are in some love. So क्या ट्रू है इसमें, क्या इसमें क्या रॉन्ग है? Boy can be arrested under 64 BNS. True or false? Yes, it is a true statement. Here, will मतलब will to have sexual intercourse is present. Consent is valid. No, it is false. Consent is invalid. Here, her will have to sexual intercourse is present. Consent is invalid. Yes, true है. Will मतलब reasoning power of mind that determines the whether to do an act or not. True or false? True है. So answer क्या बताओ? Answer है B. So the first answer is by Rakesh. Good answer, Rakesh. I think first answer by Alka Kumari. Yeah, that's great. हो गया. So whenever you're free, just go through the movie Court versus Nobody. Very interesting movie. Have you seen this movie? Court versus Nobody. Just free, just go through this. Very interesting movie. That is in, I think, Netflix or Prime Amazon. Go through that. Court versus Nobody. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? Yes, guys. चलो ठीक है. Now look at this question. Very, very interesting question. True about rape, all except लिखा है. एक wrong है. For definition of rape, vagina shall also include labia majora. Definition of rape, vagina also include labia majora. That means touching the labia majora, can it be rape? Yes, it is a rape. Slightest touching the labia majora will constitute rape. Yes, true. Penile erection ejaculation not necessary to constitute rape. Yes, nowadays even finger penetration, oral sex also can be rape. Impotent person as well as sterile person cannot commit rape. ऐसा नहीं लिखा है, so false है. ठीक है? So potency certificate in a case of rape, it has less value nowadays because rape definition includes insertion, manipulation and application of the mouth. Not only penetration but also other three activities are there. याद रखना पड़ेगा. आंसर है डी है. नो क्या राकेश मेनक दत्ता, गुड गुड, all are answering, that's great. Then a person puts a pistol on the head of the woman's brother, threatens a woman that he will not kill his brother if she will have sex with him. She agrees. She agrees matlab she will give consent. True about this scenario. Will present, consent absent. Will absent, consent present. Both will and consent present. Both will and will as well as consent is absent. So what is the best answer? बताओ जल्दी. So इसमें क्या है? Will भी नहीं है. No will, no consent. So मतलब क्या है? इसमें both will and consent is not there. So D is better answer. So will present, consent absent. No, ये wrong है. Will absent, consent present. This is okay. but consent is invalid hai. So we consider when will is not there, consent is also there. So will and consent both are not there. That is the meaning. So D is the better answer than the B. Right? D is better. D also correct, B also correct. Both are correct. Okay? Great. And the last question. Which of the following is a sex-linked offense? See, sexual offenses are classified into natural, unnatural, and sexual perversions. Okay? Sexual offenses, they classified into natural, old textbook usually, unnatural, paraphilia, and sex linked offense. नेचुरल में आता है रेप, इंसेस्ट, अडल्ट्री. सो निमोनिक है रिया. अननेचुरल में आता है सोडोमी, लेस्बियनिज्म, बेस्टियलिटी, ओरल सेक्स. पैराफिलिया एग्जाम्पल है सोडोमी, इसमें आता है सैडिज्म. सेक्स लिंक्ड है स्टॉकिंग. आंसर क्या है बताओ? ठीक है. सो नेक्रोफिलिया मतलब क्या है? नेक्रोफिलिया विद द डेड. सो पनिशेबल अंडर 301 BNS. रेप मतलब 63 BNS. ठीक है. स्टॉकिंग इज द बेस्ट आंसर. स्टॉकिंग मतलब पीछा करना, फॉलो करना. सो a male following a female, so is definitely a punishable offense. So आंसर क्या है? स्टॉकिंग है. 78 BNS में आता है. ठीक है. Now I have a question for you guys. Is incest is punishable? Incest means sexual intercourse between blood relatives. For example, say blood relatives means example cousin brother sister, mother son, father and daughter. Is it punishable in India? What do you think? Yes guys, say yes or no. Punishable, not punishable? Incest है ना, ये क्या है? Punishable है, not punishable? Manak Datta is telling sir no, incest is not punishable. Not punishable. Yes, good answer. It is not defined in any of the BNS. Okay, good. So this completes your all 10 questions. So all of you guys, so try to understand. So today we started with the point number 1, that is Indian scenario, only man can be charged for raping women. That is true statement hai. Then we discussed about definition of rape. So definition of rape that consists of 4 important keywords. इसमें आता है penetration, insertion, manipulation, application. याद रखना पड़ेगा 63 and 64 BNS. इसके बाद legal age of consent 18 years है. Then we discussed about 10 important MCQs. Yes. So any doubt? Now what is your score, guys? What is your score? Yes, one by one, let me know out of 10. Swastik Sarkar, what is your score? Rakesh. Then Alka Kumari. Manak Datta. Then we have, I think, other student Nokia. नो क्यों? बताओ क्या है स्कोर आपका, जल्दी बताओ। हाँ, मेहनत दत्ता गॉट 8. राकेश गॉट 6. Okay, 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Then others, Swastik Sharma. Okay, Swastik, just count and let me know. 10 questions. I hope you got more than 5. More than 5. More than 5. I think more than 5. So that means good. So that's it about today's session. That is basically sexual jurisprudence. So let's come up with some more one-shot series upcoming days. At least once in a week we will meet, especially in Forensic Friday or something like that. We'll plan. So we'll discuss some interesting scenarios, interesting BNS sections, the medical law, ethics and all we will discuss. If you have any doubt, you can ask me for next 5 minutes. I'm there here. Okay, I'll do image based. Okay, no problem. So next class we'll do image based. No worry, we will do. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Yes, guys, thank you all. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt in forensic medicine? Any confusion? You can ask me for next 5 minutes. Netflix, okay. Rakesh, any doubt? Yes, safe kit is important. Sexual assault forensic examination kit. So there are 13 steps are there, starting with the consent, history, and local examination, systemic examination, the collection of the samples, oral swab, anal swab, breast swab, so vaginal swab, cervical swab, so loose hair, combed hair, matted hair, and all. So that is important. We will discuss some other day. So safe kit is not that difficult. So we discussed in practical class as well. ठीक है? चलो, okay guys. मैंने कहता, see you next class.